Conversation 1. Ordering coffee. Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Sure, what kind of coffee would you like? I'll have a small black coffee. Okay, would you like sugar or milk with that? Just sugar, please. Great, I'll make that for you. Conversation 2. Asking for a drink. 100. What drinks do you have here? We have filter coffee, masala chai, and some cold drinks like iced coffee and lemon iced tea. I'll take an iced coffee. Would you like it sweetened? Yes, please. Okay, I'll make it sweetened for you. Conversation 3. Asking about prices. 500. How much is a cup of coffee? A small coffee is 100. How about a large one? A large coffee is 150. I'll go with the small, please. All right, that'll be 100. Conversation 4. Adding a snack. Do you have any snacks? Yes, we have samosas, muffins, and biscuits. I'll take a muffin with my coffee. Sure, would you like blueberry or chocolate muffin? I'll have the chocolate muffin. Great choice. Your total is 200. Conversation 5. Customizing your drink. Can I get a latte with almond milk? Yes, of course. Would you like it hot or iced? I'll have it iced, please. Iced almond milk latte, got it. Thank you. Conversation 6. Asking for refills. Can I get a refill on my coffee? Sure. Are you staying or taking it to go? I'm staying. Okay, I'll refill your cup. Thanks. Conversation 7. Asking about a special drink. What's the special today? We have a pumpkin spice latte today. That sounds good. I'll have that. Coming right up. Conversation 8. Paying for your order. How much do I need to pay you? That'll be 180 for the coffee and muffin. Here's 200. Thank you. Here's your change. Thanks. Conversation 9. Asking for a to-go order. Can I get my coffee to take away? Sure. What kind of coffee do you want? I'll have a black coffee, please. Do you want it hot or cold? Hot, please. Okay, I'll get it ready for you. Conversation 10. Asking about a new drink. What is your most popular drink? Our caramel cream is very popular. I'll try that. Great, I'll make it for you.